You don't have to sacrifice power for efficiency with a Van Dyne Super Turbo. A Super Turbo is an efficiency device for all piston engines regardless of the fuel type, saving up to $5,000 per year in fuel. With fuel costs at almost $1 per mile when driving an 18-wheeler down the highway, the savings add up fast. How does it work? The Super Turbo simply replaces the existing turbocharger. It is connected to the engine through its own dedicated continuously variable transmission. The transmission varies the ratio between the engine and the turbo shaft by changing the spacing of the inner and outer races that squeeze onto the ball bearings in the transmission. This changes the orbit that the balls travel, changing their speed and thereby changing ratio. The output of the transmission is connected to a NASA technology called a traction drive that spins the turbo shaft up to 120,000 RPM. The Van Dyne heavy-duty traction drive transmits power onto the turbo shaft with 6 flat, smooth rollers that are pressed against the shaft. The whole system uses a special lubrication called traction fluid that becomes sticky between the rollers and the shaft, creating a momentary rubber tire-like surface between the metal parts to prevent damage and transmits 16 times more torque than possible with engine oil. Decreasing wasted heat delivers greater efficiency. This is achieved by using a larger turbine wheel with longer blades to capture the exhaust gas energy like a wing. The Super Turbo works by using this special turbine to collect more waste heat energy from the exhaust than a normal turbocharger and deliver that normally wasted power to the wheels. Torque is also improved because the Super Turbo can efficiently deliver power directly from the engine to drive the compressor to a higher boost level. This extra air decreases soot emissions. Once the engine is up to load, the turbine takes over, making extra power beyond the need of the compressor. This extra turbine power allows the engine to use less fuel, giving the vehicle greater range of operation and reduced CO2 emissions. Precise control over the amount of fuel going to the engine is well known. Now it is possible to command the airflow to the engine, allowing greater power and efficiency while meeting ever-tightening emissions regulations. Heavy-duty diesel trucks can expect up to 6% efficiency gains. The Super Turbo eliminates the significant roadblocks to the use of natural gas engines, making them competitive with diesel engines and helping to clean up our atmosphere. The combination of on-demand air management, efficient supercharging, and turbo-compounded waste heat energy provides a new level of performance and efficiency for all heavy-duty engines.